Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start. Today, we shall conduct some activities on measurement of distance and area on the map using different methods. Now, let me present my screen. Last time, we discussed about how to measure distances on the map and how to measure areas using different methods. Now, let us conduct some activities. Remember, we have been learning chapter 1, Introduction to Maps. Okay, so now let us start. So here we have activity 1. What will be the ground distance in kilometers if distance between 2 points on the map is measured 23.5 centimeter and the scale of the map is 1 is to 50,000. Okay, see here, what will be the ground distance in kilometer if the distance between 2 points on the map is measured 23 centimeters. So for example, here this is the map, and on the map the distance between 2 points, okay, here is 23.5 centimeter. Okay, so the distance between 2 points on the map is measured 23.5 centimeters and the scale of the map is 1 is to 50,000. So what will be the distance on the ground? Okay, what will be the actual distance on the ground? Here on the earth surface, what will be the distance between the 2 points here? And this is the scale of the map. So we have known that this okay, is a representative fraction, and it means that a unit of distance, okay, a unit of distance on the map represents 50,000 units of distance on the ground. And if we take 1 as a centimeter, then it means that a distance of 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the ground. Okay, now let us see. Here we have the formula ground distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor. Okay, so the map distance 23.5 centimeter should be multiplied by the scale factor, that is 50,000 in this case. Okay, see here, 23, okay, 23.5 multiplied by this 50,000 and divided by this 1 lakh. We are multiplying it by 1 lakh because we have to express in kilometers. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter, we have to multiply it by 1 lakh. Okay, so 23.5, this is the map distance, and 50,000 is the scale factor. Then here 23.5 into 50,000, what is the value here? 23.5 multiplied by 50,000 is equal to 1,175,000. Okay, so if we divide it by this 1 lakh, okay, then we have got 11.75 kilometer. So 11.75 kilometer is the actual ground distance. Okay, So in this way we have to calculate. Are you clear? Any question? Remember to find out distance, okay, ground distance. We have to multiply the map distance by scale factor. And here in this case, the map distance is 23.5. It is to be multiplied by the scale factor 50,000 and to be divided by this 1 lakh centimeter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Okay, according to the question, we have to express the distance in kilometer. Are you clear? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, then let us proceed. Then we have activity 2 here. Measure the width of 50 feet rod on a map where the scale is 1 inch to a mile. Okay, so here this is an example of statement scale, 1 inch to a mile, statement scale. This type of scale is known as the statement scale. Okay, so the question is measure the width of 50 feet rod on a map. What will be the width of this 50 feet rod, okay, on the map? So here 50 feet is the width of the rod on the ground, and what will be the width of the rod on the map? Okay, and the scale of the map is 1 inch to a mile. That means 1 inch is equal to, it means that 1 inch is equal to 1 mile. Okay, as given here. So the scale of the map is 1 is to 63,360, because uh, 1 mile has 63,360 inches. So if we convert the statement scale into representative fraction, so 1 is to 63360. Okay, so in this way we are converting it into RF. Okay, see here, since 1 mile is equal to 63,360, okay, the RF of the map is 1 is to 63,360. That means the scale factor is 63360. And we have the formula that map measurement, okay, to find the map measurement, to find the distance on the map. So the formula is ground measurement divided by scale factor. Okay, so to convert the ground distance, okay, into map distance, we have to divide the ground distance by the scale factor. Okay, so here map measurement is equal to, that means map distance is equal to 50 here. Okay, according to question, 50 feet multiplied by 12 inches, because 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Okay, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, and that is why we are multiplying 50 multiplied by 12 inches divided by the scale factor. Here the scale factor is 63360. Okay, and when we multiply this 50 with 12, so we have got 600 inches. Well, let me say, okay, that is 50 into 12 is equal to 600, and 600 to be divided by 63360, and so we have got this value, decimal 009. After taking the round number, it becomes this decimal 01 inch. So this is the width of the rod on the map. Okay, on the ground, The width of the road is what? On the ground, the width of the road is 50 feet. On the map, the width of the road is what? The width of the road on the map is decimal 01 inch. So this is the answer. Okay. Remember to convert the ground distance okay into map distance. We have to divide the ground distance by the scale factor. Okay, and accordingly we have got the width of the rod on the map would be decimal 01 inch. So this is the answer. Are you clear in the question? Okay, if you don't have, then let us proceed to activity 3. So activity 3, measure the length of the fissure indicated on topo-sheet number 63K by 12. Okay, so this is the topo-sheet we have in our lab. We have so many topo-sheets and we have selected topo-sheet number 63K by 12. Okay, so we have to measure the length of the fissure indicated, okay, in the exam on the topo-sheet 63K by 12. Okay, so we have the solution here. The name of the activity is measurement of length or distance, topo-sheet number 63K by 12, and the scale of the map is 1 is to 50,000. Okay, and the name of the fissure to be measured here is river, the Ganga river. Okay, we have to measure the length of Ganga river extended in topo-sheet number 63K by 12. So using this thread, okay, using thread or rotameter, we have got the length of the fissure, that is the length of the river Ganga on topo sheet number 63K by 12 is 77.2 centimeter. Okay, so after, say for example, this is the Ganga river indicated, okay, and we have to put a thread, we have to follow a thread along the Ganga river like this. Okay, and after stressing it, the length of the thread is 77.2 centimeter. Okay, so this is the length of Ganga river on the map. So to find the length of the Ganga river on the ground, here we have the formula ground distance. Ground distance is equal to map distance multiplied by scale factor. So as usual, we have to multiply this map distance 77.2 centimeter by the scale factor. Here the scale is 1 is to 50,000. Hence the scale factor is 50,000. Okay, 77.2 multiplied by 50,000 divided by 1 lakh. Okay, is equal to 38.6 kilometer. So the distance here, the length, okay, the length of Ganga river indicated in proportion number 63K by 12 is 38.6 kilometer on the ground. Okay, the length of the river on the map is 77.2 centimeter, and its length on the ground is 38.6 kilometer. Okay, applying the formula. As I told you earlier, if we want to say express the distance in kilometer, we have to multiply it. Sorry, we have to divide it by 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Okay, so this is activity 3, and next, this is about the measurement of this area. Okay, area on the map. So before we start activity 4, do you have questions? Okay, if you don't have questions, so let me proceed. So activity 4 is about measurement of area. Let us read. A rectangular piece of property on a map is measured 1.5 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so on the map, a rectangular piece of land property is, okay, 2 inch, then it is 1.5. Okay, 1.5 inch. That means uh, the area here is 2 multiplied by 1.5. Okay, so here it is 3 inch. Okay, the length is 2 inch, 2 inches, and the width is 1.5 inches. And here the map scale is 1 is to 25,000. And find the actual area in square miles. Okay, we have to calculate the area on the ground in square miles. Okay, so we have got the area on the map. The area on the map is 3 inch because here the length is 2 inches and the width is 1.5, so area is length into breadth. Okay, so 2 into 1.5 is equal to 3 inch. So this is the area on the map. Okay, here 1.5 inch multiplied by 2 inch is equal to 3 square inch. Okay, actually it must be a square inch. Square inch. Okay, and so area on the ground here we have to express in square miles. Okay, that is why see here this is the area. This is the area on the map, that is 3 square inch multiplied by the scale factor. Okay, so here it is to be square. Here it is to be squared because this scale indicates only the distance. For example, 1 is to 25,000. So this scale factor indicates only the length or the distance. So to find the area, we have to be squared. Okay, here 25,000 must be squared. That is 25,000 multiplied by 25,000. It is to be squared, remember. Okay, in this way. Here square is here. And since we want to express in mile, okay, 1 mile by this 63360, because 1 mile is equal to 63360 inch, and it is also to be squared. Okay, so then after multiplying, after finding out the square, so here 25,000 into 25,000 is this. Okay, 25,000 into 25,000 is 625,000,000, that is 625 million. Okay, then to be divided by this value. This value means it is 63360 square. That means 63360 multiplied by 63360 is equal to this. Okay, so after this dividing, okay, this value 3 into, so 3 into, see here 3 into 625,000,000. 0 0 0 is equal to, okay, is equal to 187500000 divided by, okay, this value 14, then 489, then 600. Okay, so if we divide this value by this value, then we have got 0.46 square mile. So this is the actual area on the ground. Okay, so after multiplying this value, okay, that is 25,000 square by 3, we have got this value, and it is to be divided by the this value, and after that we have got the area in square mile, that is decimal 46 square mile. So this is the actual area on the ground. Okay, remember the area on the map is 3 square inches, and the scale of the map is 1 is to 25,000. And after converting this area of the map on the map, okay, into ground area, okay, area on the ground, then we have got decimal 46 square mile. Are you clear or not? Any question?
Clear, sir. No question.
Okay, then we have this activity 5. Okay, here in this case we're going to calculate the area in square kilometers. Activity 5. A rectangular piece of property on a map is measured 2 centimeter by 3 centimeter. The map is at a scale of 1 is to 25,000. Find the actual area in square kilometers. So in this case, we have to find the area in square kilometer. So area on the map is, okay, what, 6 centimeter. See here, in this case, the length is 3 centimeter and the wide is 2 centimeter. Okay, and we know that area is equal to length into breadth, right? Okay, length into breadth, that means 3 into 2 is equal to 6 square centimeter. So this is the area on the map. Okay, so to find the area on the ground, we have to apply the same formula. So this is the area on the map, then to be multiplied by the scale factor, and it is to be squared. Okay, the scale of the map is 25,000, scale factor is 25,000, it is to be squared, and since we are going to express in kilometers, okay, so we are to be divided by the this 1 lakh centimeter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So this is 625 million. So this is the value of this, as we indicated earlier. Okay, see 25,000 into 25,000. Okay, we have got this, and this is to be multiplied by this 6 centimeter, to be divided by the this value, that is, this is what, this is 1 lakh square. Okay, that means 1 lakh multiplied by this 1 lakh. So, okay, after this we have got this, and after dividing it, we have got the area on the ground, decimals 375 square kilometer. So this is the actual area on the ground. Okay, and next we have another one. Activity 6. So measure the area of the feature or region indicated on topography number 64p by 13 by means of regular pattern of squares. So in this case, we have to measure the area on the map using this regular pattern or square using square method. Okay, here the topocity number is 64p by 13. So this is a part of this topocity number 64p by 13. Okay, this is a part of the topocity, and we have to measure the area of this Barali Reserve Forest. Okay, Barali Reserve Forest, and this is the area to be measured. Okay, and in our case we're including the open scrub also. Okay, we're including the open scrub, so it is to be measured. So this is the area to be measured, and first of all we have to trace this area. Okay, we have to trace the area on the map on a graph paper in this way. Okay, so we have already traced this area, this okay, forest area. We have traced this forest area on the graph paper in this way. And remember, see, this is the topocity number. Okay, 64p by 13, and the scale of the map is 1:50,000, or the statement scale is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. And name of the feature or region to be measured is Barali Reserve Forest. Okay, and in this case we're including open scrub also. After this, what to do, we have to count the number of whole squares and parcel squares. So we may count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 12, 13, 14, then 15, and including this let us say 16. Okay, so the number of whole squares we have counted 16, and the number of parcel square we have counted is 37. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Okay, and after counting we have got the number of parcel square 37, and number of whole square is 16. So we have to use this equation. Okay, area is equal to sum of whole squares plus, okay, sum of parcel square divided by 2. Just we are finding out the average. Okay, and to be multiplied by this scale factor, that is map scale. So here the number of whole square is 16. Okay, then the number of parcel square is 37. 37 divided by 2 multiplied by 50,000. This is the scale factor. So here we have 16, then 37 divided by 2 is 18.5. First we have to add. Okay, here we may not apply the mathematical rules. We have to add the whole square with the parcel square first. Okay, that is 16 plus 18.5 is equal to 34.5. Okay, 16 plus 18.5 is equal to 34.5 centimeter. And so this is the scale factor. Remember, as I told you, this scale factor indicates only distances. So when we calculate the area, it is to be square. Okay, see, as usual, so 50,000 is to be squared in this way. See, 50,000 to be squared, and since we are going to express in kilometer, okay, to be divided by the 1 lakh centimeter. And here also this 1 lakh to be squared. 1 lakh centimeter, this because 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So it indicates only the distance. And to find the area, okay, to find the area, it is to be squared. Okay, and just applying the formula, see here, here we have 34.5 square centimeter. So this is the area on the map. Okay, 34.5 square centimeter. This is the area on the map, and it is multiplied by the scale factor here and divided by the these squares of 1 lakh centimeter. and we have got 8.625 square kilometer. Okay, so the area of this Barali forest area, okay, Barali reserve forest area is 8.625 square kilometer, whereas the area on the map is 34.5 square centimeter. Okay, area on the map here is what? Is 34.5 square centimeter, and the area on the ground is 8.6 square kilometer. Alternatively, we have another method, okay, here also. Here in this case, we are first calculating the area in the square meters. Okay, so this is the area on the map, then this is the scale factor to be squared, and here we are going to express in square meter, and that is why we are multiplying it by this 100 centimeter square, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and it is to be squared. Okay, 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. Okay, so after this we have got this 8,625,000 square meter, and area in kilometers. Okay, area in square kilometers. And next we have this another activity 7. Measure the area of the feature or region indicated on toposheet number 63K by 12. Okay, so this is a part of the toposheet number 63K by 12, and we are going to measure this tandarital. Okay, tandadarital. So this is a lake. Okay, we have to trace this area. See here, this to be traced using polar planimeter. This time we are going to use polar planimeter. Last time we discussed how to use polar planimeter. So using polar planimeter, okay, we have to trace along this boundary. Okay, and we have got that the dial and the vernier reading is decimal 13. Okay, so after tracing using a polar planimeter, the dial and the vernier reading is decimal 13. Okay, as usual, it is indicated here toposheet number 63K by 12. Scale of toposheet is 1 is to 50,000. That is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. And name of the feature to be measured is a lakh Tandadari Tal. Okay, and as I told you, the dial and the vernier reading is decimal 13, and using this formula, okay, area is equal to dial reading into constant. How to find out the constant we have discussed earlier. So here the dial reading is this 0.13, and the constant value we have calculated earlier 50. Okay, so according to the formula, dial reading multiplied by constant is the area on the map. So dial reading 0.13 multiplied by 50 is equal to 6.5 square centimeter. So this is the area on the map. Okay, so to find the area on the ground, we have to follow the same method. Okay, so this is the area on the map, and if we want to express in square meter, then this is the scale factor to be multiplied by these squares of these 100 centimeters, that is 10,000. Okay, and so this is the actual area on the ground in square meter, that is 1,625,000 square meter, and the actual area on the ground in kilometers in square kilometer is 1.625 square kilometer. Okay, this square meter, okay, this area in square meter to be divided by this value. Okay, and after this we have got this area in square kilometer. And alternatively, we can also find out the area using the square pattern, okay, regular square method. See here, we have traced the Tandadari Tal on the graph paper. And so let us count the whole square is one only. This is the whole square. And how many parcel squares are here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it may not count. So we are counting this, and that is why we have got the number parcel square 12. Okay, and that is why the area on the map is this 7 square centimeter. That is 1 plus 12 by 2, sorry, 12 by 2, okay, is equal to 1 plus 6, that is 7 square centimeter. So this is the area on the map, and applying the same formula, see, so this is the area on the map, scale factor, and to be divided by the these squares of this 1 lakh centimeter. Okay, and we have got 1.75 square kilometer as the actual area on the ground. So these are the different methods to find out the area on the map and the area on the actual ground. Okay, are you clear? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, then let us stop here for today.